Daniel Radcliffe looked unrecognizable as he popped out for some coffee in New York City while smoking a rolled-up cigarette. The Harry Potter star, 32, cut a casual figure in a graphic print t-shirt, matching zip-up hoodie and black short. 5. Daniel Radcliffe was spotted out and about in New York cityCredit, Splash. The unshaven actor completed the look with a blue baseball cap as he carried the suspicious cigarette. Daniel put his face mask on to order the tray of takeaway coffees, wearing it all the way back. Regardless of the contents of Daniel's cigarette, it is not illegal to smoke in the streets of New York. Cannabis is legal in New York for adults 21 and older, but is prohibited anywhere smoking tobacco is prohibited. Smoking outdoors is only banned in certain contexts, including outdoor areas of train stations, on hospital grounds or with 15 feet of their doorways, within 100 meters of school entrances, and in daylight hours at playgrounds if someone younger than 12 is present. Daniel's coffee run comes after he made a rare appearance with longtime girlfriend Darren Dark at the Lost City premiere. The couple of 10 years walked the red carpet in New York of his film where he stars opposite Sandra Bullock. Dan shocked fans recently at the first look of him in full Weird Al Yankovic costume, including a large curly wig, mustache, and wild pattern shirt. Weird, the Al Yankovic story is set to premiere on Roku. The Harry Potter star was spotted on the set of the upcoming biopic last month. As reported by People, Roku announced that Daniel was cast as Al in January. In the same release, Roku detailed the film and Al said that he's absolutely thrilled that the British actor will be playing him in the film. "I have no doubt whatsoever that this is the role future generations will remember him for," the comic said of the casting decision. Al has been making parodies of popular songs since his teens. Has remade songs by prolific artists, including Michael Jackson, The Offspring, and more. The musician is the highest-selling comedy recording artist of all time. Has also a 5-time Grammy winner. 5. The actor was carrying a roll-up cigarette credit, Splash. 5. Daniel picked up a tray of takeaway coffees credit, Splash. 5. He made a rare appearance with girlfriend Darren Dark at the premiere of The Lost cityCredit, AP. 5. Daniel rose to fame playing boy wizard Harry Potter in the film franchise credit, Handout. Roku's official synopsis for Weird, the Al Yankovic story reads, "The biopic holds nothing back, exploring every facet of Yankovic's life, from his meteoric rise to fame with early hits like Eat It and Like a Surgeon to his torrid celebrity love affairs and famously depraved lifestyle." Weird, the Al Yankovic story takes audiences on a truly unbelievable journey through Yankovic's life and career, from gifted child prodigy to the greatest musical legend of all time. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.